Everybody, this is brought to you from STEMx and my name is Pratish. Today I had built a grasshopper robot, and this grasshopper bot has the hub, the mastermind of this robot, and two motors connected to it by this series of wires. While these two motors will spin around, then this beam that is actually connected to a rubber one. You see this? A rubber one. So from that, it will have grip to the ground and start to move in a very wobbly manner. But the code for this is actually quite simple. So the first start of the code, set movement speed to 75%. It means that these two motors will get the instructions from mastermind to set movement of 75, or the speed of their movement. And which two motors are moving? They have names, A and B. So set movement motors to A and B to move backward. Well, it might seem a bit awkward, but this grasshopper is so wiggly that forward is backwards and backwards is forward. So repeat 10 times moving forward for 25 centimeters, repeated 10 times. So this is again, as I say, it's a robot, a grasshopper robot, and brought to you by STEMx. And it works just like this. That's all, my dear teachers and friends.